Today we're solving a kitchen problem that plagues just about everyone this time of year, and that's fruit flies. Do you have them? Do you want to get rid of them? Today I'm sharing my solution. It's easy and you are going to love it. This solution is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Literally. Just take some apple cider vinegar. Now you want it to be apple cider vinegar because the smell of the apple cider vinegar attracts the fruit flies. Then take some kitchen soap, any kind will do, but you want one that doesn't have a great amount of aroma. The fruit flies are attracted to the smell of the cider vinegar. Give it a little stir with your finger. You're just creating a little solution on top of the vinegar with the soap that traps the fruit flies into the solution. And that's the way your problem gets solved. In a couple of hours, you'll see your bowl start to fill with the little dead fruit flies. And overnight, you'll be happy as can be. They'll be gone. I've learned over the years, though, that getting rid of the fruit flies is only half the battle. You have to remove the reason why you had them in the first place. Let's talk about how you can prevent those fruit flies from coming back. Fruit flies really love overripe fruit and vegetables, so if you keep them on your counter, make sure that you're using them up before they get too ripe. Use them or put them into your refrigerator to keep the fruit flies away. My second tip is especially important during warm weather. Make sure that you're emptying your trash frequently because fruit flies don't care if you've got a slice of a peel or the core of an apple in your trash. They're going after it. Also, make a point to clean out your kitchen trap weekly, making sure there's nothing there that will attract any of those fruit flies. My fourth tip is to check your potatoes and your onions. When one of those starts to go bad, it can start to attract the fruit flies before you even have a chance to notice. So you want to check them regularly and actually clean out the container that you store them in because you never know when you're going to get the fruit flies hiding in there. It only takes a minute to make up your fruit flies trap solution, and taking just a few more minutes to make sure that you've eliminated the reason the fruit flies came in the first place is going to be priceless because it's going to save you your peace of mind. If this simple solution helped you, you probably enjoy some of my other solutions. So I ask you to like and subscribe, follow me on my blog, One Donna, and also check out some of my delicious recipes.